What up, what up, what up? I don't know if I'm not just seeing any chats or if you guys actually aren't chatting, but it's weird as fuck. So let me reset this. Oh, okay, there we go. What's up? What up, what up, what up? Yeah, what does that mean? Fuck. OTC. What up, Marshall? Jumped in on muln yesterday. I have nothing to tell. Let's go to OTC. Good morning, all. I can't believe I missed my entry on Hub C yesterday. No, man, I think it is. We honestly won't know until 9:30. I don't think. Can you guys all make sure that you hit the like button? Oh, man, I woke up fucking way late. I woke up like 15 minutes ago. Oh, man. Running behind. I worked until like 10 o'clock the last night. So, it is what it is. Bear with me. Let me grab the dog. They're gonna go to what's it called? They're gonna go to OTC, and then you'll be able to sell them out of OTC. Bitcoin double topped overnight. Double top. And we just dropped view up. That's what the website said. Sorry, wait. You guys don't need to see that shit. Wait, actually, who has earnings today? No, back. Did they already report? Like, fuck. Everybody in pre-market? Not gonna lie, I'm eyeing puts out another regional bank. Morning, Dana. I slept in, so like, I probably look like trash. One of them days. What was I about to do? Oh yeah, I was about to do that. ALPS. It's not Pack W. The first thing he says is, it's not Pack W. Because we can't sell FRBs on that. What am I looking at, Con? You're asking me to do something that like I can't do. Sorry if I sound rude. It's just like, you know, I have no idea of how I can complete that task. Who's back? There we go. Morning, Mike. Hey, Mike has a gold star now. 10K for TerraWolf. Okay. Wish this would load. What the fuck? We'll come back to that. I've not heard back from Octa yet. Very leery about putting more into them. Yeah, they're like sketchy, aren't they? Like on what's it called? On live stream, I've literally called investor relations in front of you guys like 4 times. No, not OTC for muln. OTC for FRC. I'm interested where it opens at too. Someone just bought 10,000 SINT. No, nobody buys 10,000 SINT ever. Someone just bought 10,000 SINT though. Options got approved in my IRA. Uh-oh. FRCB start trading at 40 cents. What the hell was that? I think it moves up, to be honest. But we'll see. Whew. Not close. Do I really not have a close option? What the fuck? Whatever. More carrying stop losses? Yeah, probably. That's what. When it does that and it doesn't hold it, that's usually what it is. What it's doing is it's just eating orders. Like this is probably gonna have a level up right here. If I was to guess. I still can't believe I fucked up on Hub C yesterday. I gotta fix that. I gotta make money on something today and then go ahead and roll it on Hub C. Let me screw something here. There we go. Where's this Bitcoin bounce? ATLX is up again. I should be in this 10 cents cheaper. Yeah. So my GFAI between 8 and 10 on the run up to 40, that hurt. But I wanted to buy back around 6 this morning. Word. I just can't believe that I was talking about this at fucking 52 cents and then now it's doing what it's doing. Like, of course. Ooh. TRK hurts. So, like, I would like to see some blood out of Hub C, to be quite honest. I don't know what I'd sell for just yet, but I'd like to see some blood out of it. What time do we have Powell today, by the way? 2:30, I believe. It's kind of usually how it goes. May 3rd. 8:15, we have non-farm employment change as well. 10 o'clock we have PMI. Today's gonna be packed full of data. Sorry, I had to turn our narrator on. I forgot I shut him off yesterday because it was pissing me off.
So good morning, traders. Welcome to the US session on Financial Juice now. Just going to go over some of the headlines and sentiment in play ahead of today's session. So treasuries rise for a second day and traders increase Fed easing bets and the dollar falls as US regional bank stocks fall pre-market ahead of the FOMC rate decision and press conference by Chair Powell later today. The Japanese
Yep. Like in GNS here.
Apologies there. So again, just looking at sentiment ahead of today's session. So the Japanese yen and Swiss franc both rise more than spot 6% against the dollar, and oil falls for the second day in a row, briefly dropping below $70 a barrel for the first time since March. So the Federal Reserve is expected to raise interest rates by 25 basis points and signal a pause in its aggressive tightening campaign, despite persistent financial market turmoil and renewed pressure from lawmakers to do so.
We are going to have to keep a close eye on HUB-C at some point. At some point, I'm going to want to make an entry. I don't know what I'm going to sell.
Time now at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time to get the US ADP employment change numbers. Forecast 147 spot 5K on the prior 145K. Range of 220 to 52K expected.
Solta. IZI USDT spot on BBIG. Giant rumors about Elon stepping in. What is easy? Wait, this is a crypto, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know. You'd have to tell me about the utilization. You'd have to tell me about like a lot. Muln with their second news update. Someone tell Ma or young Ma.
So again, just under 5 minutes time now to get the ADP employment change number. 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, the US S&P Services PMI final data, and the ISM Services PMI data at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we see the weekly EIA data, and at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, the headline event for the day with the US interest rate decision, followed by the FOMC rate statement. 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time, of course, we do get the FOMC press conference with Chair Powell. So good luck today, traders. Hope you have a good day. Again, ADP numbers coming in just about 3 minutes time now.
Whenever Mullen issues two news articles like within a very close proximity, it sells off. Just saying. You're not a common bank. Not my common bank. I don't understand what you mean. I know that second update is a sign for you. What if they come out with? If they come out with, they usually don't come out with a third. No. Well, no, not what I'm seeing. Wait, is there an SEC article out about it? It might rip and then plunge. Fuck. I hate that second signal. I hate that second muln signal. I might take my gain and put it on Hub C. No, you're good, bro. What happens in wait? What would happen to Mullen's 2024 options? And at these prices, why are people even loading up on options?
1 minute remaining for the US ADP employment change.
Not financial advice. Like, I just don't understand why people are loading up on options at these prices. Oh, you had them. Okay. Totally different deal then. I hate that second, like, the second dose of Mullen news. No, thank you.
Seconds.
Yeah, they're getting jacked up IV. That makes sense.
$296K, 296K. That is higher than the forecast of 147.5K. Look to the markets, large upside movement in the dollar, downside movement in the S&P 500 and gold as well.
I'd appreciate it if you didn't tell me what to buy. I'm kind of loaded on what I want to be in on crypto. Rivian Vans delivered over 75 million packages for Amazon in less than a year. Oh. I'm pissed about Hub C. Huh. There were two announcements on Mullen, and it didn't tank.
So treasuries as well pair gains after the ADP employment exceeds estimates.
Oh no, Hub C, get down. Hub C down. Get down. Get down. Get down, Hub C. Fuck.
So according to NATO's intelligence chief, China is very active in buying and developing undersea infrastructure rather than extensively testing the vulnerabilities of other nations' undersea infrastructure.
Word. Thank you. Yes, go ahead. Get down.
It's also seeing from the Iraqi oil minister says no deal yet with Turkey on resuming oil flows. So again, no decision so far on when to resume oil flows. So that's the Iraqi oil minister currently speaking to journalists in Baghdad. Also, keep in mind we have posted the US ADP employment change reports on the feed for those interested.
I want all of you to will
So
yourself
according to Richardson, who's chief economist at ADP,
to manifest
looking into the ADP employment change
Hub
report
C
there,
going down.
says that employers are hiring aggressively while holding pay gains in check as workers come off of the sidelines. The data today also shows fewer people are switching jobs.
I need you guys to try to manifest this back down to maybe like a double bottom. Yeah. I just really hope that like cycle doesn't like reoccur. That'd really suck. Oh, guys, Friday. I'm gonna be a little bit late on Friday, just so everybody knows. I have a doctor's appointment first thing in the morning, so I will be a little bit late.
Says the US dollar pairs losses against the Japanese yen, last down 0.57%.
Whoa, is C3AI actually green? Whoa. Whoa. Going for a gold cross. I've been getting my ass kicked on C3AI, to be quite honest. Like overall, I'm still up, but I'm like lately I've just been getting my ass kicked. Downgrades on AMD. So watch it. Just pay attention to SOXL. I'm in the mood to like have a ripper, you know? One ripper of a day. Good morning, John. Hey, everyone who doesn't have a profile picture, can you put a profile picture down? Because, like, this is gonna sound weird, but, like, your names kind of, like, melt together a little bit. Like, with no picture. But, like, if you guys have a picture, I could easily identify who I'm talking to. Is there any way that that's possible? Sorry to ask so much so early, it just... you know, a thought to help improve stream. Morning, Gary. Morning, people. Hit that like button. You the man. I appreciate you. Like, I don't care if the profile picture is a picture of a cat. Like, I'm like, what I'm just saying is just like anything would help me identify you guys better. Bro, I'm like kind of salty about fucking Hub C. I'm like top tier angry about Hub C, and I usually don't get like, you know, upset about trades. But yesterday I was telling you guys that I was looking at buying it when it was at 52 cents. It's like, fuck, really? Like, I could have used that one. 380% cost to borrow. MCOM, what? Close to the dollar figure. Your unit of a cat. That's funny. Yo, MCOM might be a vibe as well. I'm not sure how I feel about muln, being that they put out a press release. You guys know how I am about them. I might let them open, and I'm considering selling at open and going into Hub C. I don't know if I'm going to or not, though. I guess it depends on like how it opens. I would also like Hub C down a little bit more. I don't know if I'm gonna get them down though. No, see, like, it was down 25%, and it was at 52 cents when I was looking at it. Like, I'm sorry, I'm a better trader than that. I should have taken that. I should have taken it. It is what it is. I just don't want to end up revenge trading it now by accident. Look, guys, there's a double bottom on GNS right there. Just zooming out on a 1 minute. I feel like I should put a poll out. Hold on a second. Let me put a poll out. Oh, wait. There you go. You guys have a question? You guys would be so kind.
So TSMC is in talks to spend up to 10 billion euros on first German chip. So there's TSMC in talks to spend up to 10 billion euros on first German chip fabrication plant. NATO also adding that Russia is more active in undersea domain than we have seen in recent years. Also, Treasury coming through with US Treasury to auction $40 billion of 3-year notes next week, and they'd issue a large position report call in the next 3 months. So they also to add from them, US to keep 20-year bond sale and reopenings unchanged.
Yeah.
Treasury sees bill issuance variability until debt cap has been resolved. They announced quarterly refunding of $96 billion to
Ad open.
New cash of $20.8 billion.
We're watching
They also
this.
keep TIPS auction sizes unchanged in May to July quarter. They see regular buyback operations as beneficial. They're also going to be engaging with market players on buyback details. And just the Treasury reiterating their call for Congress to act on the debt limit. They're also to issue $21 billion of 30-year bonds next week. And they also expect to begin a regular buyback program in 2024. Treasury says they may boost auctions soon as August refunding. US Treasury says that they're going to keep nominal coupon and floating rate now note new issue. Reopening auction sizes unchanged in May to July quarter. Treasury says they anticipate greater than normal variability in benchmark bill issuance and significant use of cash management bills until debt limits suspended or increased.
I'm gonna see if it goes straight up like SVB and just like pulls like 100%. That'd be dope. Like there should be a quick run up on it, to be quite honest. If I was to guess, I think that there'd be a run up on it first before a drop. But yes, it is trading OTC. I mean, the halt percentage is different on OTC. I don't think that OTC halts.
SMB's Gerlach says there is no limit on how much SMB can intervene in the forex market. So again, SMB's Gerlach currently speaking at the moment, saying that there is no limit on how much SMB can intervene on FX.
NATO Intel chief says there are heightened concerns that Russia may target undersea cables and other.
So the teabag statement from the US Treasury says,
did he just say the teabag statement?
Debt limit will all due haste with all due haste is reckless and is already disrupting treasury market functioning.
Hey yo, what is good? What's today? Unless Powell comes out and surprises us with a pause on hikes. Thank you for that, Hatter. Me either.
We have posted out the full Treasury quarterly refunding statement on the feed for anybody interested. Again, just to highlight from this, due to debt ceiling concerns, bills maturing in June are trading cheap to surrounding securities as investors demand a yield premium. The Treasury announced here that they did expect to begin a regular buyback program next year as well.
Yeah, I don't see it, but I mean, it'd be pretty sweet, huh? Market doesn't run on hopes and dreams, though, right? That's what I like to say. Uh, 2 o'clock we get the data. 2:30 we have the press conference. Eastern. POI is at kind of a critical level here. Yes, go down. Go down. Even further, please. I want that literally in the shitter. Oh, you know what? Tonight I have my space call. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to link it for you guys. Make sure my volume's off. Yeah. Bear with me, guys. I have something I'm going to put in chat. If you could, please retweet that and set a reminder for yourselves. TRK trying for the gold cross right now in pre-market. What do you think happens here, guys? Okay. It's a pretty defined trend. Mullen at 200. I just hope Mullen doesn't slide. Really hope Mullen doesn't slide. You know, what's the market cap of Hub C? I should probably look at that.
So a counter from Ukraine here is they say they're not using resources to attack foreign territories.
Okay, it's only 75 mil. Keeping an eye on Labu. I've traded Labu in the past here and there, but made some good money on them. Lost like once or twice, but generally speaking, it's a pretty easy chart to read. And Vax is holding up. If Mullen tanks, I won't believe another. I won't believe another Frank again, including my uncle. Wait, Jimmy, I got a message here real quick now. puts pre-market. Yeah, I know. It's so important what I say to Jimmy, though. Oh, you're talking about NVAX holding up. Yeah. Hard down on Bitcoin. Hopefully the market's no. Don't lose the red line. Don't lose the red line. I was gonna say hopefully the market's disjoint like they did yesterday. That's exactly what it is. Sorry. Hopefully Bitcoin holds that level. Bring her back up. Thank you. Hatter, let's not do that. Let's not promote other live streams on my live stream. That's just common courtesy. Mullen with the triple announcement. Like, what does that mean now? I'm used to the double announcements, but fucking triple. Wow, QH ended up closing red yesterday? Holy shit. It's kind of a surprise. Oh.
US Treasury Secretary Yellen is to go to Japan from May the 11th to 13th for the G7 finance ministers meeting.
I did just throw something in Mafia, by the way. Well, V2. Mullen. Mole. It's in a bull flag right now. I don't know if I'll be able to draw it in time.
So in 10 minutes time now, do you get Singapore's manufacturing PMI prior 49 spot 9?
Got my alarm set for my grabs.
So Ukrainian official says such actions would provoke Russia to take more radical actions.
I kind of feel like the Ukrainians want this war to drag on as long as possible because then they'll keep getting aid from the U.S. What do you guys think? Not to be political, but, like, I'm going to be political. Like, just to, like, get rid of that discussion. Thoughts? Anyone? Bueller? Partly the reason they also want back the territory Russia seized from them. A lot of Ukrainian money runs through Bitcoin. Oh, I agree about that.
It's just seeing the S&P pair gains currently trading at up 2% on the session.
Well, duh, all that money with no receipts. That's what I'm saying. Like, it just seems sketch, right? Like, I'm not the only one that thinks it's sketch, right? I guess that's how I should have phrased my question. Was like, hey, you guys think that this is fucked up too, right? Yeah. Nope. Wait. Okay, so. Okay, so you disagree. All right. However, if Ukraine comes out on top, I foresee them pressing into Russian territory. If they press into Russia's territory, then we're fucked. Because then we're gonna end up like being in a war that they started. Mark my words. Mark my words. If they press into Russia, we're still gonna give them aid. We have nukes of South China Sea, first time since the 80s. Or in the South China, yeah. I don't know. I'm telling you, if they press into Russian territory, like, beyond the territory that they, like, took from them, like, without course, or without due course, I should say, then I think it's going to become like an issue of us like funding their war effort even further. No one is going to nuke anything except for my bank balance, says Kevin. Kevin, are you with us today or are you outie today? It all depends. Because if we cut aid, if they escalate by going into Russia, they'll be without major backing. It's a chess game between... Yeah, it's a huge chess game.
So 5 minutes away now to get the Singapore manufacturing PMI prior 49 spot 9.
If they go from protection mode to attacking mode, and the U.S. doesn't back off, then we have a serious fucking problem, guys. I'm telling you guys that right now. Like, we have a big fucking problem at that point. Like this is where I fucked up right here, guys. Like, I'm not afraid to show you guys my fuck ups. Ready? I should have taken hub C right here. And that was late. That was late. I didn't draw it down here. But if you ran back the live stream, the lowest I had it at was literally like a bottom tick. I knew I should have fucking grabbed it. Oh well, what am I gonna do? I was in it. That right there is an inverted head and shoulders. Just so everybody knows. So you see the shoulder on each side, inverted head and shoulders. Oh, guys, for anybody new in here, every single Wednesday at 6 o'clock Eastern, I host a space with GNS. So be sure to check that out. And that is pinned to the top of chat. And Neil, if you're in here, we would love to have you. I'd actually love to have all of you guys in here. Show up. Say what's up. Ask any questions you guys might have. GFAI offer below the market price yesterday. Could have been to get weak hands to sell to establish new floor here. Well, what's the price or what's it trading at? GFAI. If they're raising at 465, what's their average volume? That might take a minute.
It's 1 minute. Right?
I'm not sure about that, but I would think that it would take a minute generally. Coming up on 9 o'clock. Let's see.
Effective Fed funds rate 4.83% for May 2nd, unchanged from May 1st.
It is supposed
10
to close
seconds.
on May 5th? Okay. Just be careful. I mean, I don't know what else I could say, because it's not like I could foreshadow what's going to happen.
49.7, 49.7. ECB settled 19.1 billion euros of ABS purchases. ECB bond holdings under PEP, 1.68 trillion euros as of last week. ECB settled 341.6 billion euros of corporate bond purchases and settled 2,557.8 billion euros in public sector bond purchases. ECB says lending to banks rose 514 million euros to 1.1 trillion euros. S&P's Gerlach says the size of the balance sheet is determined by S&P policy.
I want to give me fucking... Our advantage, let's see. I think Hub C is very interesting. I think it could be a long hold. What do I know, though? See, what did I tell you? Mullen going down on good news. Definitely not a surprise. Man. Bitcoin might be trying back. This could be a rebound moment here. It's at that key level, too. Let's see. Are we going to save ourselves or no? If not, it could get ugly again. We tapped just underneath my key level. Actually, no, sorry. We tapped my key level last night. I had a key level at 28,780, and we tapped it. Bitcoin underneath the key level. Wait, whoa. Wait, does OTC open at 9? Or am I, like, cracking up here? Sorry, I'm the only reason I'm asking is because I never trade OTC. Give me one second, I have to let Bella out real quick. All right, my bad. That's what I thought. Well, then why am I seeing orders being executed right here? That does not make any sense to me. Well, that's what I thought. What, like, why is this price moving then? That makes no sense. If this can't be traded right now by everybody, then there's no reason why there's any price movement. Yeah, but it's still to me it's a legality thing. Bitcoin is fucking falling off the face of the earth. Happens all the time. Maybe I just, wow, yeah, I mean, I just don't watch OTC markets enough. That's fucked up. Yeah, it's kind of like in a cup and handle, though, straight up. Look at that. Interesting. We know how well FINRA watches over the markets. Yeah, that's true. Fair enough. Valid point. Potentially. I think that there's going to be a lot of money to be made on a scalp. Guys like you can make a lot of money on a scalp opportunity on this probably. Just saying. Like back and forth. Just be very, very careful. Make sure you're not the last one fucking holding it. Of course. It's like playing hot potato. I can't buy it, but I do hold 60 shares now at work. $177 and 30 cents. Yeah. Sometimes it'd be like that. Sometimes it'd be like that. 38 cents we're at. I just have a weird feeling that it's like it's gonna move up. Like I don't know what it is. I just have a very, very odd feeling that it's about to move up. Like, and move up drastically as well. Like, I think it could go on a run and then it's gonna get slapped. It's just how high can it go before it's slapped? You know what I mean? I don't know. Hold on 1 second. I want to share this. Rob, welcome to chat. What are we looking for at this point? Extension, buyout, merger? Preferably a buyout or a merger. I was actually looking at a potential reverse merger, but I don't have any data to support my theory. It just, theoretically, I can't think of a better scenario. If that's fair. But, I mean, if they were acquired by someone, I mean, that wouldn't hurt either, right? Bitcoin trying back up. I really don't understand how this prices or orders going through on FRC before the market's open. That's mind-boggling to me. It literally goes against the regulations of the stock market. You don't trust. Okay. So Bit Digital raises price target. Okay. Hopefully we grab support off that nonsense. Obviously the red line is key line. There too. Hold on 1 second. I'm going on a limb to try to recover and got a spy put. Okay. Interesting. Interesting theory. I just hope that the IVs aren't juiced out like all the way up on you already. Like, I don't know. I think that FRC moves up here throughout the day. And then I think there's going to be a sharp down at some point. And I think it's going to be hard to predict where that sharp down is going to be. Unless it's with Powell coming on. Then that would make complete sense. Hold on a second. Sorry, girlfriend. 409 put. Word. Mullen has a death cross at the moment. We're going to try to move up to invalidate, it looks like. Bitcoin's trying back up towards that red line. Ten more minutes. If you guys have to do anything, go to the bathroom, grab something to eat, let your dog out like I have to right now. Give me 1 second. Good girl. Come here, buddy. Go, buddy. There we go. Alright, my bad. What was the OTC ticker for Silicon Valley? It was was it just SIVBQ? Yeah, it was. Never mind. It's kind of actually a bull flag, but hold on one second. I gotta send a picture. I am ready. But yep, I have 5 shares with a 99% loss. Maybe enough to buy a Coke. Maybe. Stream is lag. What? It says I have a good connection. The fuck? That's so odd. $9.23. I'm telling you, my stream is literally. You're good on your end? Yeah. It's like they're not letting people with mobile phones, or like that are on cell phones, and it's not like they're like letting them view it properly or some shit. So a full minute with streaming that, Jesus, that's not acceptable. It's completely unacceptable. There we go. Should be good now. There we go.
So OPEC Plus proceeds with the plan for the June MTG, sends invites according to delegates. Just to repeat that there, the OPEC Plus proceeds with the plan for the June meeting, sends invites according to delegates.
Okay. If it makes it easier for you, look at muln. See if we carry. You're good on your end. Why the fuck? I'm closing all of that. I'm closing like literally every single tab that I possibly can on my internet. Okay, every tab is now closed. Let me go to my cell phone. All tabs are closed. Yup, lagging now. Son of a bitch. This is ridiculous. I'm gonna have to call Comcast and see what the fuck is up. U.S. turns to familiar name to clean up $114 billion banking crisis. BlackRock. I don't understand why my shit is fucking... How about now? Still lagging? No? I should be good on computers. If you guys are on mobile, go to like a desktop version of your browser and pull me up. Bitcoin's RSI to 42. CleanSpark says in April 2023, company mined 524 Bitcoin. Thank you. The weird part is that I never started lagging until I started covering TRKA and GNS. Did you guys notice that? Oh, good luck, everyone. Good luck to all. I'll ride the fucker to 0 before I sell for less than a good, like, amount. You keep getting kicked off? That's so weird. So fucking weird. Bitcoin trying up. RSI on Bitcoin is a 48.
S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 open up spot 1%.
Heads up. For anybody that's new, please like and sub. It's free. I want Google's money, not yours. So, like, I'd greatly appreciate it. Just saying. Bitcoin to the 48. Wick to the 48. We got to get over that red level. TRKA volume 644,000 only. Bitcoin to the 48 again. You guys saw it here first. Mullen, view up. You guys saw it here first. Look at that bottom tick. Let's go. Bitcoin through the 48. Let's go. Up, up, up. RSI is a 61. Okay, carry the 48. That'd be dope. Yeah, it just kicked me off once, actually, which was really, really odd. Heads up on FRC. She might pull an SVIB and do like 100% a day. Desktop is perfect. Only have it on mobile. Yeah, it's weird as fuck.
So some US regional banks drop. PacWest Bancorp down 2.6%. Western Alliance Bank down 2.2%.
Heads up on FRC. I'm gonna set out a tweet. With the L on it. Got 15 bucks back. See, I think it's gonna rip at some point. Like SIVB had 100% day the day after it went OTC. That's why I pulled up SIVB Q when I prior to the market opening.
So in 10 minutes time now we do get the US S&P Services PMI final forecast 53.7 on a prior of 53.7 with a range of 53.8 to 53.5, and the US S&P Composite PMI final forecast 53.5 on a prior of 53.5.
I'm gonna record this. Oh, did I actually record it? What the fuck is happening? Don't tell me this went down. Uh-oh, this could be a problem. Okay. I'm off there. If that shut down, then you guys would get disconnected. That wouldn't be good. So I'm just not even gonna fuck with that screen anymore. Mullen trying. A wick to VWAP got rejected. Okay. Sorry. Mullen at the 200. Mullen at VWAP and the red line. Guys, I kind of like FRC here on a technical retrace up. Bitcoin about to get a 1348 to the upside. Go ahead, FRC. 3 little soldiers. See what volume is. Do a volume check. Almost a mil. Mullen's already at 93 mil. Bitcoin going for that 1348. Pack W unhalted. Fuck, I'm like running out of screens here. I guess I look at back the Bitcoin over on the screen and tell you guys what's going on. There's a gap right there on Pack W. NVDL. Watch that fill the gap down here. FFIE. I'm like running out of screens here. FFIE. Wow.
So 5 minutes away now as we get the US S&P Services PMI final, forecast 53.7 on a prior of 53.7 with a range of 53.8 to 53.5. US S&P Composite PMI final, forecast 53.5 on a prior of 53.5.
GFAI, okay. Yep. She's at the 200. So watch for that gap, guys, on Pack W. Back down towards VWAP here on FRC. Look how they're solidifying 19.5 cents on TRKA. Just saying. I just booted me from my own fucking live. How does that work? Octo. I was just looking at it. Boils all the way down to 287. GNS is moving. BBBBY is no with the Q. People still buying that crap. Word. It pisses me off already. Hello. Y'all in here or no? It's not really showing me anyone. Magel's running. TSM talks to build first German chip factory. Thank you.
One minute remaining. I'll lead with the US S&P Services PMI final.
Oh shit. Tr 24 is trying to cross right now through 48 on Bitcoin.
$10. 53.6, 53.6, lower than the forecast of 53.7. Composite PMI 53.4, 53.4, lower than the forecast of 53.5.
Hello. Oh. So I think that this is scalpable myself. It's in like.
And we have posted at the US S&P Services PMI April 2023 full report on the newsfeed for those of you that are interested.
Alright. So I am recording. Good. Let me do this. Okay. FRC looks very interesting. Sorry. Watch out that this doesn't bounce off VWAP.
Russian parliament speaker says there can be no negotiations with Zelensky now.
Bitcoin above that key level and bouncing out to 48. Mullen seeing some barcode action. This could just be to eat orders. Let's see. What are we doing? Watch out on the curl there. You're saying AMC was a nice pump or Mullen? Can we pull it or no? I'm waiting for the FRC move here. Right there, right off that nonsense. Here it is. TRKA hard down though. Oof. Mullen in between the 48 and the 200. We're just waiting on Bitcoin to figure out what the hell we want to do.
So 10 minutes away now as we get the US ISM Services PMI forecast 51.8 on a prior of 51.2 with a range of 53.5 to 49.8. Services employment or a prior of 51.3, services new orders prior 52.2, and services prices paid or a prior of 59.5.
Here it comes. Go ahead. We need Bitcoin to follow through. We're already at 48 million in volume on FRC, which is OTC. Like that's a good amount on an OTC stock, in my opinion. TRKA is getting hurt though. How's GNS? Oh yeah, GNS was kind of doing pretty well before. Hub C to 61 cents. Market's trying to spin up. You can see it. Let's see, 1 second. Let me get futures up. There's a lot of GNS blocks, by the way. A lot of GNS blocks. Wow. A good amount of GNS blocks, actually. Alright, so Dow is up 0.1. S&P is up 0.29. And NASDAQ is up 0.4. Mullen trying up. Megel has 20% up. IDEX has 15% up. FFIE has 9% up. MCOM 2. HYMC almost has 4%. Wow, Mullen looks really jumpy, huh? Mullen. Already to 120 million in volume almost.
According to congressional aides, the U.S. Senate is to begin work on
Bitcoin
new
up.
legislation to strengthen export control laws and identify new sanctions to counter China.
TRKA trying with a super. Up to a trend line on Bitcoin just underneath 200. Shouldn't do that. Fuck it. I don't care that much. I mean, I do, but...
At 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we get the US ISM data. Services PMI forecast 51.8 on the prior 51.2, with a range of 53.5 to 49.8. Services employment, prior 51.3. Services new orders, prior 52.2. And services price paid, prior 59.5.
TRKA trying to save itself. Carvana up 1%. Ape down 0.5%. They literally just kicked me out of my own stream. It's so fucking weird. Method of my madness. Volume is now 3 million on TRKA. Literally just checked it and it was under 1 million. Mullen to 123 in volume. Bitcoin trying up. Go orbital. I know you want to. FFIE is at 14%. Actually, wait, let me throw that up here. Fuck it. Look at her. Still going. Alright, just underneath VWAP with FRC. If it overtakes VWAP, I think it could do something. It has that and then the 48. Then clear sailing. Oh, GNS is up 9. I'll take it. Didn't even realize. Every what? Sorry, guys. I'm trying to time this up.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the services PMI. So according to a US official, the United States is trying to validate Russia's charge that Ukraine tried to kill Putin with the Kremlin drone attack.
Just above VWAP on FRC. CXAI down. Potential double bottom though. Boil down to 281.
10 seconds. $51.9, 51.9 higher than the forecast to 51.8 service prices paid, 59.6, 59.6, services new orders 56.1, 56.1, and services employment 50.8, 50.8.
Okay. What are we doing at VWAP here, guys? What are we doing? I'm gonna pull up Bitcoin so you guys can understand how the market's moving. You know, honestly, fuck that. I'm not gonna even record. Might make for smoother streaming. Go ahead. Ape to 152. She's pretty much unch. Ion Q 536. VRM is at 78 cents. I think that that's like grand larceny. Okay. Judge says JP Morgan could be liable for Epstein S trafficking if Staley knew about it. Down to the 48 on Mullen. And a 200. Going for the gold cross now. I'm gonna what's it called? I think I'm gonna switch laptops, and you guys are just gonna have to deal with my shitty mic tomorrow. I think that that's what's gonna have to happen. Try going to your desktop version and playing it there, because everybody on desktop seems to be like having a fine time. Mulling down.
So we have posted out the US ISM Services PMI April 2023 full report on the newsfeed for those who are interested.
So fucked up. It's still doing it, isn't it? Guys, I'm gonna